Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on this channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we will have a look on my profits on Nakamoto Games. If you've seen my previous video, I more or less did a walkthrough through all the current 3 games on the website, Nakamoto Games, and I performed really bad. But then off camera I decided to, just hop into some other, hop into some more rounds, especially Naka DUI. I'm not sure how you're supposed to um, pronounce that, but I found myself being pretty good in this game. Anyhow, so I've played around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 matches. Let's forget this one. This was inside the video. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Um, roughly, roughly took me like 12 to 15 minutes. Then again, you have to perform well in order to get rewards, right? You have to perform well within these groups of 8 people. And all of these games, for which I've always paid around 0.5 Nakamoto tokens for the ticket to participate. Um, in total, I've been paid. Well, I would love to show you the exact number, but I was basically at 10 Nakamoto tokens yesterday when I started the video trying these games out, right, with no experience at all. And I played it all the way down to 6.3. And now with all the games being finished and the rewards rolling out, my balance is actually above 10. So at 11.52. So we are actually in profit of 1.52. Then again, you have to minus 1 because of the withdrawal fees that you have on KuCoin when you want to get your Nakamoto tokens over to your MetaMask so you can deposit it on Nakamoto Games. So in reality, we've just profited 0.52 Nakamoto tokens, which currently holds a value of $1.5, which is sure you decide if this was worth, especially with the price dumping from yesterday. So around here at 4.22 even, um, 4.20. The tweet went live. They tweeted out that their website is finally here. It has launched, and the hype really found its top over here. And ever since, this chart is down by minus 28%. So I'm not sure if I really profited $1.5 or around 30% on an entire position. But overall, that's Nakamoto Games for you. I really don't know what to think of it. Let's just see. I'm definitely a bag holder now. I'm not selling it here, but um, I guess one could have guessed this chart after seeing these or after trying out these games. It's not really special. Nothing really new, nothing crazy. I don't know. Let's just see what they. Let's just. Oh my gosh, the top player number 1 has made almost 800 Nakamoto tokens. Now this is probably worth, but then again, how many rounds does this guy actually play? Is it worth the time? Probably is though at that amount. With that amount. Okay, so those are my profits from playing on Nakamoto Games. Um, my personal take, again, not financial advice, guys, even though if this is a gaming website, because it includes cryptocurrencies which hold value, I wouldn't play. I would definitely not play these games. I wouldn't even bother moving my tokens out anymore. Honestly, just hold it here and then at the next swing, honestly, I'm probably gonna cash out. I don't want to be Nakamoto. This just doesn't convince me at all. Duck Hunter, Naka Runner, and Naka. Yeah, I'm not gonna pronounce it. Of course, I think there is a thing, so they will be releasing a new game uh, with every week. Weekly, they'll be releasing a new game weekly up until the end of this year, so we can expect 4 more games to come. Um, Again, didn't convince me. Um, yeah, not really. I'm not gonna put my money into this project. I don't believe in it anymore. Right, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one, whenever that will be. Alright, peace out.